The sea is a powerful and unforgiving mistress. Sailors throughout history have braved her wrath, facing storms, rogue waves, and treacherous currents. Yet, among the many dangers lurking at sea, fire stands as a constant and insidious threat. A fire on a ship miles from land is a terrifying prospect. Confined spaces, flammable materials, and the ever-present danger of spreading flames make fire safety paramount on any vessel. In the following video, we'll delve into the fundamentals of fire safety, equipping you with the knowledge to combat this ever-present danger. To effectively fight fire, you must first understand its nature. Fire isn't a mystical force, but a chemical reaction requiring three elements: heat, fuel, and oxygen. Think of these elements as the points of a triangle. Remove one, and the fire is extinguished. Heat provides the energy needed to ignite the fuel and start the combustion process. Think of a lit match. It provides the initial heat to ignite a piece of paper. Fuel is any substance that burns. On a ship, this could be anything from wood and cloth to fuel oil and cargo. Oxygen allows the combustion process to continue. Air, which contains oxygen, feeds the flames. Understanding the fire triangle is key to fire prevention and suppression. By removing or reducing any of these elements, we can control and extinguish fires. Not all fires are created equal. Different materials burn differently, requiring specific methods of extinguishment. Fires are classified into different types, each with its own characteristics and dangers. The most common classifications are Class A, B, C, D, and K Class A. Fires involving ordinary combustibles like wood, paper, and cloth. Class B fires involving flammable liquids like gasoline and oil. Class C fires involving energized electrical equipment. Class D fires involving combustible metals like magnesium and titanium. Class K fires involving cooking oils and fats. Understanding these classifications is crucial for selecting the correct type of fire extinguisher. Just as there are different types of fires, there are different types of fire extinguishers, each designed to combat specific fire classes. Using the wrong type can be ineffective and dangerous. The most common and simple extinguisher is the water extinguisher, primarily used for Class A fires. A typical water extinguisher on a ship weighs around 9 to 12 kilograms, with a working pressure of 10 to 12 bars. It has an effective range of around 6-7 meters and works for about 60 seconds. This extinguisher is typically placed near crew living areas, storage rooms, and anywhere non-electrical fires could occur. However, be careful. Never use this on electrical or oil fires. Next, we have the foam extinguisher, which is effective on both Class A and Class B fires, often used in the engine room or fuel storage areas. Foam extinguishers weigh around 9 kilograms, with a working pressure of 12 to 15 bars, an effective range of 4-5 meters, and a working time of 30-40 seconds. It works by creating a foam layer on the surface of the flammable liquid, cutting off the oxygen and smothering the fire. For electrical fires, Class C, and flammable liquids, you'll use the CO2 extinguisher. These are often found in places like control rooms, electrical panels, and near high-powered machinery. Weighing around 2 to 7 kilograms, depending on the model, they're pressurized at 50 to 60 bars. CO2 extinguishers have a range of about 2-3 meters and work for 10-20 seconds. They work by displacing the oxygen around the fire and cooling it. Be cautious though. While CO2 is excellent for electrical fires, it offers no post-fire cooling, so the fire could reignite. One of the most versatile extinguishers on ships is the dry powder extinguisher. It can handle Class A, B, C, and even some Class D fires. Dry powder extinguishers are used in engine rooms, machinery spaces, and near electrical equipment. They weigh anywhere from 6 to 12 kilograms, with a working pressure of 10 to 15 bars, a range of 4-6 meters, and a working time of 20-30 seconds. The powder works by interrupting the chemical reaction in the fire. For galley fires involving oils or grease, Class K fires, the wet chemical extinguisher is your best bet. These weigh around 7 to 9 kilograms, with a working pressure of 10 to 12 bars, an effective range of 2-3 meters, and a working time of 30-40 seconds. It creates a thick layer over the burning grease or oil, cooling it and preventing reignition. You'll always find these in the kitchen or galley areas. The principles of fire safety we've discussed on ships apply equally to our homes and workplaces on land. While the specific hazards may differ, the fundamentals remain the same. Early detection is crucial for fire safety. Install smoke detectors on every level of your home and outside sleeping areas. Test them regularly and replace batteries annually. Discuss and practice a fire escape plan with your family or housemates. Know 2 ways out of every room and designate a safe meeting place outside. Have at least one fire extinguisher readily accessible in your home, particularly in the kitchen and near potential fire hazards. Never leave candles unattended and keep them away from flammable materials. Familiarize yourself with your workplace's fire safety procedures, including the location of extinguishers, alarm pull stations, and evacuation routes. By applying the same principles of fire safety we learn at sea to our lives on land, we can create safer environments for ourselves and those around us. Knowing how to react swiftly and decisively in a fire emergency can be the difference between life and death. Fire safety training equips individuals with the knowledge and skills to identify fire hazards. Recognizing potential fire risks is the first step in prevention. Training helps individuals identify common hazards and take steps to mitigate them. Knowing how to operate a fire extinguisher correctly ensures it's used effectively and safely. Familiarization with fire alarm systems, including how to activate them and respond to alarms, is crucial for a swift and organized evacuation. Regular fire drills and evacuation exercises reinforce safe exit routes and assembly points, ensuring a calm and efficient response in a real emergency. Fire safety training should be mandatory for everyone, from seasoned sailors to those working in office buildings. The knowledge gained through these programs empowers individuals to act decisively and potentially save lives. Fire safety isn't just the responsibility of safety officers or fire departments, it's a shared responsibility that requires the active participation of everyone. By sharing the knowledge we've gained, we can create a culture of safety and protect lives. Talk to your family and friends. Discuss fire safety at home, emphasizing the importance of smoke detectors, escape plans, and fire extinguisher use. Be an advocate in your workplace. Encourage fire safety training and awareness initiatives, ensuring everyone understands their role in preventing and responding to fires. Stay informed and up to date. Fire safety regulations and best practices evolve over time. Stay informed about the latest guidelines and share your knowledge with others. Remember, fire safety is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. By actively promoting awareness, sharing our knowledge, and encouraging safe practices, we can all contribute to creating safer environments for ourselves and those around us. For more informative videos on ships, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and share it with others.